Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on SLP token. The price line of SLP is moving down to test a very significant support of 2 cents, and in today's video we will take a look at this move. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe, and for more ideas you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. And I've also shared the link for this report in the video's description that will show you how many trades I've shared in the previous month. For example, I shared 75 trades and 62 out of 75 were successful, 13 were unsuccessful. And for example, if you would like to verify any trade, then I've also shared the link for all these trading ideas. You can just click on the link and it will take you to the idea that I've shared for my members. And I've also shared the screenshots how the price line entered the buying zone and hit the sell targets. Or you can just click on this link, it will take you to the trading view, and if you have at least a free account there, you can just click the play button, and after clicking this button it will show you how the price line entered the buying zone and reverse bullish and hit the sell targets. Now let's start the analysis. First of all, let me show you this daily time frame chart of SLP token, and here we have been following this down channel, and the price line broke out the resistance of the channel. We had some accumulation above the resistance after this breakout, and then we had another rally, and that was, by the way, from this resistance of the channel up to here. That was a quite big rally, up to more than 80% rally, and right now the price line is again rejected by the next resistance and moving down. If we take a look at the different support and resistance levels, then here we have the resistance of 3 cents, and recently we are again rejected by this resistance and broke down the next support of 2.45 cents, and now we are moving down to the next support of 2 cents. This is very significant support because you can see for the past several days it has been breaking as a strong support. From here, from 24th of March to here, even up till now, it's working as a nice support. And before that, this 2 cents support has been breaking as a resistance here back at the starting of the March 2022, and here it has been breaking as a support in the month of Feb 2022 as well. Now, for example, if the price line breaks it down, then we will have another very strong support at 1.75 cents. So this is very crucial time for SLP token. We are going to test a very significant support that has been breaking as a nice support and resistance in the recent previous history of SLP token. Therefore, next few hours are really very important, and there is a high probability that the price line will test this support once again. And for example, if the price line breaks it down, then we can test the next support of 1.75 cents. And in case of this support will be saved, we can move up to make another attempt to break out the next resistance of 2.5 cents. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.